Hello, welcome back everyone. Welcome to episode 39 of Microsoft Power BI PL3 exam series. This is your host, Apka Consultant, bringing you episode 39. So, those of you who are new to the channel, you can check out the link in which all the previous 38 episodes are covered as part of this exam. And all of these questions are of latest topic, so make sure you are watching that playlist. So yeah, today's topic is data distribution in Power BI. Let's quickly jump and see question number 39. So the question says, in the process of orchestrating your dataset for analysis, you are consolidating information from a variety of sources into Power BI through the Power Query editor. The challenge lies in identifying which feature is best suited for executing specific operations. For each operation listed below, select the appropriate Power BI feature that would best facilitate its completion. A feature may be applicable in different scenarios, be used for more than once, or might not be needed at all. Align the operations with their corresponding features. Operations are given as below. A, B, C. A is evaluate the general distribution and outliers in your dataset. B, determine the proportion of data entries that are considered valid. C, calculate the frequency of every unique entry within a chosen column. And the features are 1, column quality; second, column profile; third, fixed with font; fourth is column distribution. So as you can see, we have four different features and three operations. So you just have to align them, which operation matches which features, right? So you can pause this video here, go through this question, and then on the next slide I will give you the options. So yeah, these are your four options: A4B1C2, A4B3C2, A4B1C3, A1B3C2. So you have to align the operations to the features. You can think, I'm going to pause the video here for 10 seconds. You can think what is the solution to this question. So yeah, your time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the answer. So it's basically option A, A4B1C2, which basically means evaluate the general distribution and outliers. A4 is column distribution, right? And B1, determine the proportion of data entries, is column quality. And C2, basically calculating frequency, is column profile. So yeah, these three features, column quality, column profile, and column distribution, are very important. They are available in Power BI. I will quickly show you with the help of an example, but yes, just basic features available where you can see the data distribution of whichever file you uploaded. So yeah, this is basically on this topic. Let's look at the overall explanation. As you can see on the slide, it talks about the three operations and the features which is aligned. You can pause the video here, go through these explanation. Yep, and improve your understanding. And the last slide is basically on resources, which typically covers PL certification preparation from Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. And that, as I've mentioned earlier, I have been doing this course from this website called Udemy, which is improving my knowledge. So yeah, that pretty much covers the theoretical part. I will just open now the Power BI desktop to walk you through these three features which I've just talked about, right? So just let me open Power BI desktop. Here it is. Let me quickly upload an Excel. Let's upload dim employee so that we can see how these features we can utilize. Just click on transform data and we'll walk through column quality, column distribution, column profile, right? So these are available in view tab. You go to view, column quality is already checked. Let's uncheck it. So basically column quality, all three is column quality, column distribution, column profile are available in view tab in Power Query editor, right? If I click on column quality, it shows us the quality of each column. For example, employee key, we can see valid is 100%, there is no error, there is no empty. And also the green color indicates the validity of the data set, right? There are no errors or empty data in the set. As again, these are all clean. You can check it out. And if I click on column profile, it will open up in the bottom these column statistics. For example, employee key, it gives me count of that keys, for example 21212, which basically means employee keys are ranging from 0 to, there are 212 keys, different keys. It also gives us, distinct unique values or are same. 0 1 is 0, right? This is the first one, right? And also, it gives us average, max, and a deviation. So these are very important statistics which you can easily see in Power Query Editor. The last is column distribution. If I click on it, it will show you like this for each column specifically. For example, you can just easily check, if you want to see the distinct and unique values. For example, valid from is a date, and you can see 143 are distinct, 125 are unique. In employee, you can see 20 are distinct, one is unique, right? So that is how you can easily see the data distribution for any data set you are uploaded into Power BI. So yeah, these are the common features, three heavily used in Power Query Editor, where you don't have to, look at each and every column individually. You can see the entire picture in the Power Query Editor. So yeah, that covers data distribution and, their features in Power Query Editor. Hope you like this content, and I hope you are preparing good for this exam. So yeah, looking forward to see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching.